99% of Tucson owners are driving around right now with features they have never once used, sitting one button press away, completely invisible unless you know exactly where to look. We are about to show you all 20 of them, one at a time, and by the time we are done, your Tucson is going to feel like a completely different car. Let's start with the one hiding in plain sight on your key fob. Function 1. Remote Start with Climate Preset. Most Tucson owners walk out to a freezing or blazing hot cabin every single day without realizing the fob in their pocket can fix that before they even open the door. Press lock twice quickly, then hold the remote start button, and the engine fires up along with the climate control, bringing the cabin to whatever temperature you last had it set to. It is the single most underused feature on the entire key fob, and it works from well over 100 feet away in most cases, meaning you can start the car from inside your house on a freezing morning and let it warm up completely before you ever step outside. Most owners never try this because nobody at the dealership ever demonstrates it during delivery. Leaving it buried is one of the best-kept secrets sitting right there in the manual. Function 2. Auto hold for traffic and hills. Sitting at a red light or stopped on an incline, most drivers keep their foot pressed on the brake the entire time out of habit. The auto hold button, usually near the shifter, lets the car hold itself in place the moment you stop, releasing your foot from the pedal completely until you press the gas again, which makes stop-and-go traffic noticeably less tiring. It also reduces unnecessary brake wear over time, since the system holds the car mechanically instead of relying on your foot to keep constant pressure on the pedal during every single stop. Many drivers assume the button is only for hill starts, when in reality it works just as well in a simple grocery store parking lot line or a long red light. Function 3. Driver-only door unlock. Pressing the unlock button once on most Tucson fobs unlocks every door at once, which is exactly why solo drivers in parking lots sometimes get an uneasy feeling as they walk up. A single press of the unlock button, rather than the double press many owners default to, unlocks only the driver's door, keeping the rest of the car secure until you are ready to let anyone else in. It is a small habit change that adds a genuine layer of security in parking garages or dark lots, especially late at night when you are walking to the car alone. Most owners have pressed the double unlock button so many times out of habit that they never even realize a single press behaves completely differently. Function 4. Walk-away auto lock. Loading groceries or walking away with your hands full often means the car gets left unlocked, simply because nobody had a free hand to press the button. Once enabled in the settings menu, this feature detects when the key fob moves a set distance from the car and locks every door automatically. No button press required at all. Once it is turned on, most owners forget it is even active, right up until they notice they have not manually locked their car in weeks. It is tucked inside the same settings menu as several other features on this list, which is exactly why so few owners ever stumble onto it by accident. Function 5. Rear occupant alert. Buried in the safety systems is a feature that quietly tracks rear door activity, and if a rear door was opened before the trip and never opened again after the car is parked and locked, it sends an alert to your phone and sounds the horn, specifically designed to catch a forgotten passenger or pet left behind in the back seat. It is one of the quieter safety features on the entire car, and one that most owners never even know exists until the exact moment it actually saves them from a devastating mistake. It works completely in the background with zero setup required, quietly monitoring every single trip without you ever needing to think about it. Function 6. Hands-free Smart Liftgate. Arms full of bags with no free hand to reach for the trunk button is a familiar struggle for almost every Tucson owner. Standing behind the liftgate for a few seconds with the key fob anywhere on your body triggers a sensor that pops the trunk open automatically, complete with a countdown beep so you know exactly when it is about to open. There is no digging through a purse or setting bags down on wet pavement just to find the fob and press a button. Just stand still directly behind the bumper for the full countdown, since walking away too early cancels the process before it finishes. Function 7. Blind spot view monitor in the cluster. Checking a mirror only gives a partial view of what is actually next to the car, and on certain Tucson trims, the moment you signal to change lanes, a live camera feed of that exact blind spot appears directly inside the instrument cluster, giving you a clear, direct view instead of relying on mirrors and guesswork alone. It has genuinely prevented countless close calls for owners who did not realize a car or motorcycle was sitting directly in the spot their mirror simply could not show them. It only appears the moment you actually signal, so it never clutters the cluster during normal driving when you do not need it. Many owners spend years relying purely on mirrors, never realizing this exact feature has been available to them the entire time. Function 8. Rear cross-traffic braking. Backing out of a tight parking spot with cars parked on either side makes it nearly impossible to see approaching traffic until it is almost too late. This system does more than just beep a warning. On equipped trims, it can automatically apply the brakes if a vehicle is crossing behind you and you have not reacted in time, stopping the car before a collision happens. It is especially valuable in crowded shopping center parking lots, where visibility around large parked vehicles is often worse than drivers realize until they are already backing out. It is one of the clearest examples of a safety feature genuinely stepping in to prevent an accident rather than simply warning you after it is already too late. Function 9. Wireless phone charging with cooling. The wireless charging pad near the shifter does more than most owners assume. It includes a small cooling fan built into the pad itself, specifically to prevent your phone from overheating during a long charge, which is exactly why phones charge noticeably faster and stay cooler on this pad compared to many aftermarket wireless chargers. Just make sure the phone is centered properly on the pad, since even a slight misalignment can slow charging speed considerably. Cases with thick built-in wallets or magnetic mounts are the most common culprits behind slower charging that owners often blame on the car instead. Function 10. Household-style power outlet. On hybrid Tucson models, there is a genuine household-style power outlet hidden in the cargo area, capable of running small electronics or tools directly from the car's battery. Campers, tailgaters, and anyone needing to charge a laptop or run a small appliance away from a wall outlet can plug in directly. No separate inverter required. It quietly turns the Tucson Hybrid into a genuinely useful backup power source in a way most owners never think to test until they actually need it. It is worth checking the outlet's wattage limit before plugging in anything demanding, since it is designed for smaller electronics rather than large power tools or appliances. 10 down, 10 to go, and the second half gets even better. If you're learning something new here, go ahead and subscribe, because we cover hidden features like this across every Hyundai model every single week, the kind of details most owners never find on their own. Let's keep going. Function 11. Driver Talk Intercom. Turning around to talk to kids in the back seat while driving is both distracting and hard to hear over road noise. The Driver Talk feature routes your voice through the rear speakers using the microphone built into the cabin, letting you speak at a normal volume up front while being heard clearly in the back without ever turning around. It is especially useful on long road trips, when constantly twisting around to communicate becomes both distracting and genuinely uncomfortable after enough miles. It is a small feature that quietly makes a genuinely long drive with kids feel noticeably calmer for everyone in the car. Function 12. Quiet mode for rear speakers. A sleeping child in the back seat and music the driver still wants to enjoy up front seem like conflicting needs, but quiet mode solves exactly that. Activating it through the touchscreen audio settings reduces or mutes volume in the rear speakers specifically, while keeping full sound playing through the front speakers for the driver. It is exactly the kind of feature parents wish they had discovered years earlier, once they realize how many naptime road trips could have gone far more smoothly. It takes just a couple of taps in the audio menu, and the setting stays active until you manually turn it back off. Function 13. Multi-terrain drive modes. Beyond the standard Eco, Normal, and Sport settings, certain Tucson trims include dedicated terrain modes for snow, mud, and sand, each adjusting throttle response and traction control specifically for that surface. Selecting the right mode before driving on a difficult surface noticeably improves grip and control compared to leaving the car in its standard setting. It is worth testing each mode in a safe, empty area first, so you know exactly how the car responds before you actually need it in real conditions. Switching modes takes only a couple of seconds through the dial or button near the shifter, so there is no reason to hesitate once conditions actually change. Owners living somewhere with real seasonal weather changes get the most value out of learning where these modes are located ahead of time. Function 14. Ambient interior lighting customization. The subtle interior lighting strips along the doors and dash are not fixed to one single color the way most owners assume. Inside the Vehicle Settings menu, you can choose from a range of ambient lighting colors and adjust the brightness, letting you personalize the cabin atmosphere to match your mood or simply make nighttime drives feel less sterile. Some owners even sync the color to match the exterior paint, a small detail that makes the whole cabin feel noticeably more intentional. It costs nothing to try every color once and simply see which one actually fits your own personal taste best. Function 15. Heads-up display adjustment. On trims equipped with a heads-up display, most owners never realize the height, brightness, and even which pieces of information appear on the windshield can all be customized. A quick trip into the display settings menu lets you reposition it to your exact eye line and choose whether you want speed, navigation, or safety alerts prioritized on the glass. Getting the height right in particular makes a bigger difference than most people expect, since even a slightly wrong position can make the display feel like an afterthought instead of something genuinely useful. Spend the extra minute adjusting it properly the first time, and you will likely never need to touch it again. It is one of the easiest adjustments on this entire list, and arguably one of the most immediately noticeable once it is set correctly. Function 16. Digital Cluster. Theme switching. The digital instrument cluster on newer Tucson models is not locked into a single visual layout. Cycling through the display settings using the steering wheel controls reveals multiple cluster themes, some more minimal and some showing more detailed information at once, letting you choose the layout that actually matches how you like to check your gauges. Drivers who prefer a clean, minimal look and drivers who want every possible number visible at a glance can both get exactly what they want without any real trade-off. It is a purely visual choice with no impact on performance, so there is no wrong answer, only personal preference. Function 17. Hidden underfloor cargo storage. Lift the cargo floor panel in the trunk, and most Tucson owners are surprised to find a genuinely spacious hidden storage compartment underneath. Perfect for stashing valuables out of sight, keeping a first aid kit organized, or hiding shopping bags before pulling into a driveway full of curious kids waiting for surprises. It is also a genuinely practical spot for an emergency road kit, keeping it out of sight while still being immediately accessible if you ever actually need it. Most owners drive the car for years without ever lifting that floor panel to see what is underneath. Function 18. Panoramic sunroof. One touch with anti-pinch. Holding the sunroof switch the entire time it opens or closes is not actually necessary on trims with the panoramic sunroof. A quick tap and release triggers the sunroof to fully open or close on its own, and a built-in anti-pinch sensor automatically reverses the motion if it detects any obstruction in its path. It is a small convenience that most owners never bother testing, simply holding the switch the entire time out of habit, instead of realizing a single tap does the same job automatically. It is one of those tiny quality-of-life details that, once you learn it, makes the old habit feel completely unnecessary. Function 19. Digital key via smartphone. On models equipped with digital key, your Tucson can be locked, unlocked, and started directly from a compatible smartphone, without ever needing the physical fob at all. It can even be shared temporarily with a family member's phone, letting them drive the car without handing over your only set of keys. If your phone ever dies, the physical fob is still there as a reliable backup, so switching to digital key never actually means losing that option. Setup only takes a few minutes through the Hyundai app, and once it is linked, the fob becomes more of a backup than a daily necessity. It is a genuinely convenient option for households sharing one car among multiple drivers. Function 20. Auto-dimming and follow-me home headlights. Oncoming high beams at night can be genuinely blinding, and most Tucson owners never realize the headlights can dim themselves automatically when a sensor detects oncoming traffic. There is also a Follow Me Home function that keeps the headlights on for a set amount of time after you turn the car off, lighting your path to the front door on a dark night. Between the automatic dimming protecting other drivers and the Follow Me Home function protecting you, it is a genuinely thoughtful pair of features working quietly in the background every single time you drive after dark. Both features run entirely automatically once enabled, requiring nothing more from you than simply driving the way you normally would. The bottom line: 20 features, all sitting inside a Tucson. Most owners already drive every day, and almost none of them require anything more than a menu you have simply never opened. From the fob in your pocket to the cluster in front of you, this car has been quietly capable of far more than most people ever discover. Try just one of these today. Chances are, once you find the first one, you will not stop until you have gone through the entire list, and your Tucson will start to feel like a completely different car within a single week of actually using what it already came with.